Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Confiforms in Confluence. We'll begin from the Confluence overview page. This is your starting point for accessing tools and apps connected to your workspace. Once you're on the overview screen, look to the left-hand navigation panel and click on Apps. This area is where Confluence brings together additional features and integrations that can extend what the platform can do. After opening Apps, click Explore More Apps. This will take you to the Marketplace area where you can browse and search for available add-ons. In this case, we're looking specifically for Confiforms, which is a popular app used to create forms, manage data, and build workflows directly inside Confluence. In the search field, type Confiform. As the results appear, click on Confiforms and then select Confiforms, Data Forms and Workflows for Confluence. This opens the app's page where you can review the listing and begin installing or testing it. To continue, click Try it free. If your organization requires permissions for Marketplace apps, you may need the appropriate access before moving forward. Once the app is available, click on Sample Space. This is a helpful place to explore how the app works in a ready-made environment before building anything of your own. Using a sample space is a good way to get familiar with the layout and features without affecting your main content. Inside the sample space, click on Sample Page. This page gives you a place to start working directly with the Confiforms macros. When the page is open and ready for editing, type /Confiform into the editor. Using a / command in Confluence is a quick way to insert supported elements and macros without needing to search through menus manually. When the options appear, click on Confiform. This inserts the Confiforms element into the page so you can begin setting up your form or workflow from there. At this point, you've successfully located the app, opened the sample area, and inserted the Confiforms option into a page. As a final tip, if you don't immediately see the expected result after typing the / command, make sure the page is in edit mode and that the app has finished loading properly. Taking a moment to confirm that can save time and prevent confusion. That's it for this walkthrough on how to use Confiforms in Confluence.